Hey, welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're talking about what to do when your samples go offline. Okay, so here I have a session. I'm going to just pull in some samples. Here they go. Looking good. Okay, hypothetically, I'm going to work on the session, get some stuff done, and then I'll go to save it when I'm done. Good. Saved, close it out. I'm done working for the day. So sometime between when I saved it and then when I open it back up to work on it, I'm going to consolidate some folders, move around some stuff in my desktop, move some samples, not even thinking about it. And then when I go to open back up my session, my samples are going to be offline. Scary sight, but no worries. So basically all you have to do is just select one of the samples and then you'll see the message at the bottom, the missing files message. Click that. And then this will open up. Typically when you hit go, it'll do an automatic search and it should find your samples pretty easily. You can also click set folder if you know exactly where they are, just to point Ableton in the right direction. I'm just going to hit go and do the automatic search, and I'm sure they'll pop up. The next thing you want to do when you're done is collect all and save so that this doesn't happen again. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.